Start doing it yourself. Again, don't wait for me or anybody else to appoint you a data scientist. You showing up for your first day in data science shouldn't be like the first time you're exercising the scientific method, right? You should be walking in there with your own projects on your own portfolio, saying, hey, I sourced this data, I formed a hypothesis, I wrote the experiments, and I did it myself. Don't wait for somebody to appoint you a data scientist. Don't wait for that perfect internship to come along, right? Go out there and do it yourself, and that's what I did. That's the reason I give that advice, because I'm sharing my past experience of how I did it. So I started doing it myself. I remember I would actually go to Starbucks on like Thursday afternoons, and I would sit there and I would write. I would buy a coffee and I would write. I would bring my laptop and just write about data science. I had like a small blog that I was publishing out to. I spoke at a couple of conferences, but I didn't have a big audience. I didn't have an assignment. Nobody was paying me for this. I just did it, right?